In this video, I'm going to show you how to fit text into one cell using the wrap, justify, and distributed alignments. And I'll also show you how to achieve the same result by using some shortcut keys. And if you'd like to grab a copy of the Excel file I use in this video, just click on the link in the description below. Okay, so what I've done here is I've just written down a sentence that doesn't fit into one cell. And I've written it down a couple of times so we can see what the difference is between wrap, justify, and distributed. So as you can see, this sentence spills out of cell C2 and into these corresponding cells. So these cells don't actually contain the data, but just when it's displaying, it's writing the text over the top of those cells. So if you want to wrap the text so that it all stays within cell C2, what you can do is select the cell and then come up to the wrap text button in the alignment section of the home tab in the ribbon. And if you click on it, as you can see, it's now fit all of that text into cell C2 so it doesn't spill over into these other cells. Okay, another way that you can achieve basically the same thing is to justify the text. So if I click on cell C4 and then I come back up to the alignment section, but this time there's no button there, so we have to click on that little arrow in the corner, and that brings up the alignment tab in the format cells box. And what we want to do is in this drop down here for horizontal, choose justify and then press OK. Okay, and now you can see the text has wrapped, except this time, instead of just being left aligned, it's actually left and right aligned. So that's just a slightly different outcome there to what we got when we just wrapped the text. Now, one thing to note here is that the first three lines go all the way from the left to the right side of the cell, but the bottom line doesn't go all the way to the right. If you wanted that to happen, what you can do is choose distributed. So if I click on cell C6, come back up to the ribbon, click on that arrow, click on the drop down for horizontal, and then choose distributed and click on OK. Okay, now that is basically justified text, just like the one above it, except when the text is too short to fit across the whole line as it's done with the bottom line there, it left and right aligns it no matter what. So you can see that's why we've got the word one all the way over on the left and the word cell all the way over on the right when it's distributed, but we don't have the same thing with the justify option. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to achieve the same thing except using shortcut keys. So we'll start with wrap, and I'll just click on cell C2 there where we've got our text. So the shortcut keys for wrapping text is Alt-H. And then when you see all of these letters appear on the ribbon, you just press W, which you can see there is for wrap text. And as you can see, that's wrapped the text in cell C2. Okay, so the process is a little bit different for justify and distributed. So let's start with justify. And what you do is you click on the cell with the text, which is cell C4 here, and then click on Control 1. And you should bring up the Format Cells box. Then just click on A, and that gets you to the Alignment tab. And then click on Tab to get down to the Horizontal Alignment box. And then you just need to click on J for justify. Okay, and when that's selected, you can just click OK. And now you can see that the text there in cell D4 is justified. And it's similar for distributed, so just click on the cell with the text and hit Control 1. Then you click on A to get to the Alignment tab, so we're already there this time. Once again, click on Tab to get to the horizontal text alignment box, and then click on D for distributed, and then click on OK. And as you can see, the text in cell D6 is now distributed. So that's how you can use shortcut keys to do wrap, justify, and distributed text.